Hi all of you. In this session, I would like to discuss with you about homeworks. Previously, we discussed about homeworks and assignments, but now in this video, I want to explain how to give homeworks to the students and review the works completed by them. See, this is the home page of the Teams app. As this is the teacher's version, you can see all the classes here. But the student view is different from teacher's view. As a student, what the student can see is only the class in which the student is present. See, coming back again. So this is the page we work entirely in the homeworks. Suppose if you select a class for which you want to assign homeworks. I am selecting the class, this class. Actually, this is not any class in our school. I created this class only for training purpose. In the top here you will see like posts, files, class notebook, assignments, grades and insights. Some other apps are there, so no need to bother about all these things. Only we will be discussing and completely doing our work only in the class notebook. See here, if you open the class notebook, this is the page you will be getting on the screen. This is the OneNote page actually. So actually to view this screen in the full mode, just you press here expand tab. You need to expand the tab to view this in full page mode. So here on the left side top you will find an arrow that is called as a navigation panel. If you enable it, you will find a list. This is called as sections and these are called as pages. So this is collaboration space, content library, teacher only tabs. I explained you about all these things. So collaboration space is of currently we are not discussing on this, and content library is the space where teacher can store all these documents, files, images, question papers, materials, model papers, everything teacher can save here. And teacher only section. Teacher only section is also used for the teacher to store their materials. And below that you can see the list of the students present in the class. These are the entire students present in the class. Suppose actually this is not actual class. So in your class, suppose you selected some 5th class, you will find the list of students who are present in the 5th class. As I am a teacher, I can see the list of all the students present in the class. But when it comes to a student, this is the student view again. This is student's class notebook. In the student class notebook view, student can view only the notebook of his own, not the other friends or any other students. Any student can be able to view the notebook of his own, not the any other students are there, only this student is there. Okay. Coming back again. So here first of all you need to click on the class notebook, and a list of options will be opened below that, like distribute page, distribute new section, copy to content library, review student work. So many options are there. So presently we are working on the homeworks. So first you need to select what is the homework you are giving to the child on a particular day. So for that you need to press the page here on the bottom. 02/09/2020 home task. This is the page. You can allot all the homeworks here only. First you insert some science home task. Okay, and here you can start typing the questions. And okay, these are the questions. Just like you can add some more questions like here. And so this is the science home task. So here like this you can type the questions, and if you want to insert any page also you can do it from here. So press on the insert. It takes to the file, picture and audio symbol. Okay, all these things you can learn it. Only file and picture, these two are the things which we need to study currently in the beginning. So when if you press on file, it will actually okay, if you press on file it will show as insert attachment or insert a file printout. You select a insert a file printout, because if you select insert an attachment, that file will be shown only as an icon, but if you select the file printout, the file will be shown as a printout. So select file printout, choose the file and the location where the file is located. Suppose it is located in desktop or any other folder. So you assign the works. Suppose I selected this work and open and insert. Immediately this page will be inserted in the page. This page will be inserted in that link. So next again come here. Suppose I want to assign this as a home task for the students on the particular day. Here a date is mentioned and home task, and if any other subjects also are there, you can add here. You can add in the same page, so that the student will be able to see all his homework on a single page. So you press on the class notebook, distribute page. Here you will find different options like distribute page, individual distribution, group distribution, so on. As this is a homework, I need to distribute it to all the students. If any work is is there which is supposed to be allotted for a single student, you can select this option. But now you are giving a homework for the entire class, you need to select the distribute page option. Here a special pop-up will be opened in the right side of the window, where there are different options mentioned as assignments, class notes, handouts, homework and quizzes. That means you have to select the option for which you want to assign this work as. You want to assign this work as an assignment or class notes or handouts, homework, quizzes, everything. So suppose you want to select this as a homework. Now we are discussing on homework, so you select homework here. So after pressing this homework, the distribute button below this will be highlighted, that is it will be unable to press. So you press on that, immediately it will be assigned to the entire class as a homework on that particular day. See here it is uploading to the class, distribute to all the students, homework in for assignments, notebook. So it will be pasted in the notebook of all the students. It may take some time depending on the size of the file and speed of the internet, etc. So here it is 34% complete. So let's wait, it's almost done. See, it was displayed as done here. That means it is sent to the notebooks of all the students. Let's verify that. Suppose as a student, see how it looks in the student. Just I will show you how this will look in the student's class notebook. See, this is a student. If you select the student, the list of options, same options which you see before are available here. So now you press on the homework. Homework, see here 2/9/2020 home task. This is the task which you gave today right now. So you select this thing. See what are the uses of proteins, right? The picture of digestive system. These are the questions which we allotted the student for completing his homework. And when coming here, suppose I am switching to the student view now. See, this is the student view. As a student, this student can find her homework here only. See, it will be updated in the it will be updated in their books also. Okay, one second. Okay, here now the students complete the work and they will send to you. After that, the next day after giving the homework, again you need to open the class book and review student work. You need to press review student work. Here it is available, and currently you are checking for homeworks, so you go for homework, and next you will see the list of homeworks which are assigned to the students in the previous days, but you need to select the work which you are going to review now. This is the work which you are going to review now. Next, so here you will find the list of all the students. You press yes because the names are little bit confusing. You replace the first name and last name, just reverse that, and everything you will find in a orderly way. First, what you need to do is you lock the page. You lock the page of all the students, because already students have submitted. Whoever the students completed their work, they submitted. In order to avoid the student to make the changes at the later date, first you need to lock the books of all the students. Apply. So here the students pages are locked. That means the student cannot make any changes once their work is locked. That's what you are doing now. The student cannot change any of the content is submitted for this. Suppose you go to any some student's notebook. Who has completed their work. Not this thing. Okay, so now you come here just to verify the work again and see, and you can write some reviews here. Only you can write here. Press home and you can write. So this is the feedback which the teacher is giving to the student. So you can write to mention your feedback like this. If you want, you can give the student some stickers also, which will be interesting, and students will feel happy if you assign this thing. Actually, this is the special thing which students will find it very interesting to find it on their work. Okay, you can send it. Simply what is the thing is, okay, you need to do is just leave it, you leave it like this. The student will find it on their books. See, not here. See here, you can find out the homework book of the student, and not this one. See here, it is showing that this space is locked and cannot be edited at this time. So the student cannot edit the space. And see, the feedback given by the teacher is here. At the same time, the sticker given to the student also you can find. So this is the way you can review the work of all the students. This is the way you can review the work of all the students. So I request all the teachers to practice this today and tomorrow completely, and they can feel free to contact me at any time if they are having any doubts. Thank you all of you.